guys, today's video is the last installment of my Bath and Body Works collection. I'm not going to show body scrubs. I'm just not in hand soaps because that's a little boring to me. But this is my biggest shame, and this is my sprays. So this is going to be Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secrets because I have both. Yeah, this is my biggest shame. I'm sorry, but I do love to just smell really good. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, remember, rate, comment, subscribe now, turn the notification bell on, and we're just going to pull both of them down here. I think this is just going to be one video. I'm not going to make this a two-part. Oh my god, this is heavy, but we're just going to get into it. And this is crazy because I've given away so much, but I have so much. Again, the first thing is the Acai Berry Face and Body Refresher. Mine's still not even open. I got this from the SAS back in last summer. Yeah, the one last summer. I just opened it just now. I don't use it. I need to start using it because what's the purpose? Can I talk? What's the purpose of buying items you're not going to use? So I'll sit that back there. I have the Twisted Peppermint. This is the Diamond Shimmer Mist, and it looks just like this. So I'll put it back there. I have the Sweet Pea Diamond Shimmer Mist. Looks like that. Put it back there. I have the Vanilla Bean Noel. It's being used right now for Grace. She uses this. Grace is 4. But I'd be like, Grace, you want some smell good? She'd be like, yes, mommy. So she used Vanilla Bean Noel, and we're getting through it. So that's hers. So that goes there. The next one is Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. This one is mine. You see the top is off of it because I'm using it on something else right now. But yeah, I have that one. We have the Champagne Apple and Honey. I love this. This smells so good. Like, you don't have to use this just in the fall. It smells so good. So we're going to put that one right there. The next one is the Forever Red. I like the other packaging of Forever Red a little bit better than this. The bulky packaging. But it's whatever. I have the Black Raspberry Vanilla that I'm trying to get through. Juniper Breeze, which I think is really good as a house spray. I do not like this as a body spray. And if I do find more of these, I do want 2 or 3 more just for my house if I see them. Because I saw them at the outlet mall, but they were 50% off. And I'm going to wait till they hit 75%. And then I'll stock up. I got the Mad About You. My favorite, one of my favorites right here. Lavender and Sandalwood. And I love Mad About You too, but Lavender and Sandalwood. We have Snowflakes and Cashmere. Put that there. A little mini mint leaf and bergamot. Fine Fragrance Mist. Love this better as a room spray. I'll just put that over here. It can go over there. We have Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. Sweet Escape Strawberry Picnic, the one I was going ham looking for. We have a Violet Plum. We have another Sweet Escape Strawberry Picnic. Thank you, Joanna. A vanilla, Wild Vanilla Mascar. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Wild Mascar Vanilla. My bad. We got Pretty as a Peach. I love Pretty as a Peach packaging. It is so cute. Say that 10 times fast. Okay. Oh my goodness. Beach Nights. Only got one of them. I really don't like the Beach Nights fragrance as much. Well, not the fragrance, but the fragrance mist. I like the smell of the lotion so much, and the body cream and the body wash. But this, it's okay. But I wouldn't get a backup. Maybe I will one day. I don't know. I could be lying. Velvet Sugar. If it was 75% off and I seen it, probably so. I would get one. One of my all-time favorites. Pink Chiffon. I mean, come on, y'all. We all know Pink Chiffon-ish. So we got Pink Chiffon. I got a Vanilla Bean because now I'm into the vanilla scents. Don't know where that came from, but okay. I'll embrace it. Happy Vibes. It's not coming back. So if you got it, congratulations. I have a Winter Wonderberry. Looks just like that. And I seen it in somebody's collection. I was like, oh my God, I really want that. And look, finally looking at my collection, I already got it. That's crazy. I got a Sweet Cranberry Rose. Don't know where my top at, but that's what it looks like. I haven't even used it. That's crazy. This is why I'm showing my collection too, because I really want to start using all these products. I got a Wild Strawberry Leaf. Looks just like that. I have an Amber and Argan. Love the packaging of that. It is super cute. I have a Hot Cocoa and Cream. I like the spray more than I like anything else in the line. So I only have one. I don't want multiples of it because it's really not all that great. Another Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds because I really love the smell of that. It smells really good. I have a Tahiti Island Dream. Love the smell of this. So I got that one. I have Be Enchanted. It smells so good. Love the Be Enchanted. Another Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. So funny I didn't like it last summer. Now I'm stocked up on it because I fell in love with it. One of my old school favorites, Pink Peony Cream from Tutte Dulce. I wish they would bring this back. Oh my goodness. I don't want to really use it because I don't want it to be gone. What is this? Sheer Cotton Lemonade. A Papaya Paradise Cove. One of the new news. I got the Live Fresh Seaside Breeze. So I got one of those. Get me situated. Let's get situated. There we go. I got one Coconut Water Chill Love. This is my last one. I'm trying to hold on for dear life because it's amazing. It's amazing spray. And my last one from Bath & Body Works. I'm just keeping for the packaging. And I wish they would bring it back. Love, love, love. Because I fell in love with this. So I'm keeping it for the packaging basically. So that is the Bath & Body Works stuff that I have, like all my sprays. Now we're gonna move into, no. Uh-oh, sorry guys, there's more, but wait. Okay, Coconut Lime Breeze. my bad. And Sweet Summer Kiss. I think this is the last one. Yeah, I think that's the last of the Bath & Body. So everything else is VS that I'm about to show you guys. So I have Love Haze from Pink. Just put it up there. I have Runway Angel. I have, this smells so good, Night Rush, or Rush Night. It smells so good. If you can find that still. Sunset Crush, that smells good. Twist of Watermelon. Pearl Sky. Got this last SAS. I got Magic Shine. Smells really. I have Sequin Nights. I'm not gonna be able to really pile up more over there. Sequin Nights. I have Pure Seduction Shimmer. Love Pure Seduction. So got a shimmer of it. Will you fit? Nope. We got Sexy Angel. We have Let's Stay In Fragrance Mist. Smells really good. Pink Sun Kiss, the all-time favorite. Love Spell. I mean, come on. You can't be a collector without Love Spell. This is my Love Spell Shimmer. It's almost out. You see how little I got in there? So it's going to be in this month's empties. Look for it. One of the new Good Vibes Are Goodbye. Love it. Lastly, I have not one, but two of the Moon Petals by Pink. Absolutely love this scent. So that's it, guys. That's my VS and Bath & Body Works collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on. Man, I have a lot to go through. I feel like I don't need any more, but I know for a fact I'll probably get some more. But dang, I got a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.